Thing to do would be to remove the 6 Phillips head screws. I'm going to pop off this little zip tie holder here. Take that guy out. I'm going to pop off the wires, the terminals that connect to the motor. So now we'll just loosely start explaining this. Be careful that you're not touching the heater core fins, as they're very delicate and we don't want to damage those. Flip this over, keep track of all your screws as they fall over the floor. So now to do the motor, we're just going to jiggle the motor up and down. There's these flat slots that will fit in there. So you take your new motor, have the flats facing up and down. That should just drop right on in. We'll reassemble the clamshell. Reassemble the clamshell. Everything should go together really smoothly. So if it's not, then something is jammed. We reconnect the 2 terminals. So the orange is going to go to the inside, black to the outside. Reattach the Phillips head screws. Test your motor with. You can either apply, reconnect it to your existing wiring harness on your vehicle and then test the 3-speed fan, or you can apply a ground cable to the black and then test power with a power lead, power to each of the terminals, and verify that the motor works that way.